Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you can update your Sunlight H clusters from the SIM. Once you have logged into your SIM, you can navigate down to look at the clusters that you have available. Here I currently have one cluster and it is sitting on version 4.020. You can navigate and see SIM is running with the latest update, but I do have a cluster update available. I select the cluster for that, and then I can go and download the update from there. This will now download the selected update for me. Once that is completed, I can then go and install the update on the Edge cluster. So now our update has downloaded. If we go to the About section, we can see our update has downloaded here. So now I can select the cluster, choose the action that I wanted to do, click apply. That will now go through there and start the installation of the upgrade on the cluster that I selected into for the update.